into open house. Ania kan kardon in mate in manem. Chuan so bakal to nga bakal sok ang atun kan chuak zole boy alo karo.
Hello, boy.
Kalame.
No.
Dizia so, kat iching to kai. Kalame di bela hello, at dizia. Oi, oi. Iki karma mo chu. Ela man vat man te ko ai tu mino swatele. Kaman no thei bor besya. Bor na. Cham chenu hi chu. Tide bor rang hi kan mi vi box ya. Chil loi tem. Mate ba la chui ro le. Oi an klem me mem boite khatin anau te nak la ya. Chui lo em ai to mo thai kan ba sok ka ma or alok kan dok ra
No. Why can't you go in?
Sekolah in classroom tur kha isa tom
What's the first up? In school I can go in.
aw school hai aw chu athara school
Yes, no.
school thara lu do na hai
Yeah, I'm still making up.
class pol sang ve to a class da class kha sang asan ve to do na school da lu to do ni hikala ole come on crash to chok lo crash to le back off lo kang Bat khoi ve tingin mo iranga kan thleng tep to hei au school thar tu kan thleng to don excited to em ai chen thar te nei don lam tra hei au school kan thleng kan kal mek hei entrance kan thleng a ti chuan hi just from middle school ani ma se tun ka pol za ngai ni dong kha mo pol riat ani to don wangin middle school a po hetla ya kum hi kai le anga hi school thar tur ani hi le ani men shuai ro se han tam khop mai a hei mi po map na tur room zong don ni hi hei an school hi kan zong na sa to lik to ke a chen nu de borai le sarai te chen dun po map an enter chara an school tur hi apui le to ka zaw le to ka he ki phechu ka ha hianin an room tur te an lunch room tur de borai tun hi zong me ka ya au nang I class tur chu chun tudumi kan room en takha engmo ming dragon time mami tur chu kan hmu to a classroom te lunch na tur te kan enang he map zong cher ni he map a runai re du le ni min tam si school zawin en lian sia he mo an thak re khop mai chaw ma pin kan wak to lo
Yes. Oh, okay. I thought I had seen one more with your group when I answered months ago. So then, Sarah, do you have questions I can answer?
We don't have it. Nice to meet you. And can you show me that room?
Okay. So let me do this. Can you turn with me? If we see so this is right now we're in my room, and if we go out the door and go all the way down this purple hall until you can't you're going to go outside. Then take the last all the way to the right. And then you'll so just out the door, all the way down, and then to your right. Does that make sense? Yeah. You're welcome. I'll slide out of the way if you want to or get you out some work. All right. Hi. What's your name?
We need to try something new. It's not going to be rough. No, they're not be rough.
Yep. When you need anything, like section oh my gosh, you're amazing. Thank you so much. Hi, I'm Mrs. Have a good year. You too. Bye-bye. What's your name? Sarah? So this is going to be your Spanish class. And I won't see you on Friday.
A day.
Back in time.
One day.
Friday.
One whole day.
And then I'll see you on Monday. And we'll get started with tools, expectations. But Friday, you're just going to be learning the expectations of the school. Okay? So if you need any help with anything, or if you just feel like overwhelmed, and you need to say something, you can always come. Okay. You're so welcome. Hello, lady.
Okay, so we're together the whole year doing general science. Do you like dogs? What? Do you like dogs? Yeah. We do a dog project. Do you like s'mores?
Yeah.
We do a project where you build like a solar oven to cook s'mores and you get to eat them. Do you like music? Yeah. We build our own musical instruments in general science at Victoria. So, you know, a lot of fun things that's going on. Do you have any questions? Yeah. Okay, no questions. Well, thanks very much for coming. It was very nice to meet you. See you on Monday. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hello, how are you?
Hele cafeteria omna te kan zong mo to classroom engam sa tan nei hei how takli mi a chara kha kan ron ang lo tak kan kha po ka akim lo arem lo mo hi tlai chi po ni lo ni hi classroom mo ni tamro puisa ka tro ma te po ni se ho anau te sikula kal ngai ve to se au sikul chu ka twa sa fa tanga ki khan ni mai hi an sikul hi pui lu tok alian si tro he nuam don to ke lim takin kal don na chen thak te sia manga classroom tura chen ni tu ma se lo lungai de ma se e ma lungai am le lungai thak lo chen thak se de ni to tro atot po kan tot le ni hei kung kalkan insert pel so one school lem te nen school no pangan tam don mangi he Sarahi pe cho classroom pa ka lom sia ha do na ni hi kal na a shim po ka fan te hi nem mai thian zara him tak le thong takin kalang ma baru le kan chok ta don au school tur cha hi ni hi au ba baru le ru le mam tempui le salam le sarani school ani chunga ya le lu don hei submit ania hei open house ni chu parking po ala du veng kan kho mai hei so ta kong tu ka ma motor parking chang lo te an oma an pa ka batia hi an hung barakat kal do na hei ti han vo ni chu open house ani boka hei kan tu tlang hlom khop mai ti han in kan vak char kan fa te school vel kan fa te school open house a kalin hi control ve ani hi an school hi phul nuam sin na hi salomele sarum ti chu ta hian an le kai do na batia pop khen zara damin amanga kina le kai ve do ni hi an school hi an nuam doi khop mai a khulai khu main entrance ni a ta kan entering ani chu hi kan ro cover to lawang boi thak ka ha he kan tu khop mai tu ni salomele saruni school turania ahlui ani chong adni pani chong ayan lu do na he ta samam te ampui wedding ta ta hian an lu do na ni kan lu to don kan hu photina ani chu cover an du vak lawa hai botia school kan thleng ve ta chắc được em con rồi lên cái mà nó thế cái phòng bát đốt em ăn school sinh hay mà school về anh này hay rồi bây giờ hay bây giờ school cho nên anh đi con tắm ngang cục máy hay lẽ chúng ta classroom chắc sao tem chắc tem hay
All right, let's see. Our first job is to find your desk.
oh yes we need to find
Let's see. Oh, I found it. Perfect. So you found your desk. Now you get to unpack all your supplies.
School supply.
Wow, those are fantastic.
Take you home.
Yep, you can take any of this home.
Okay.
This is, did you work with Mrs. Vanna last year, Miss Vanna? Or Miss Blinkman? So you're gonna go up and see, instead of Mrs. Blinkman, we have Mr. Hammonds this year, so he might be our teacher too. So we're gonna go see him after you're done in here, okay? Perfect.
So we need to check it out, Easter.
Yep, you can open this, take everything out. You can leave like the crayon or the colored pencils and the markers in the containers. And
Okay.
yeah, and then you can slide it all in here. Awesome. Sounds good. Have fun.
Thank you. Order apa na order subject to school ni ko school online chang chuan ne ya uten si subject awu tu ko ta kan le ya ni chu pa hen order subject ze la ni chu he ne ti subject au ku ya se ni tra te school mo an mo
Get
ni
somebody.
pencil te crayon về lên những vị cấm một con hút pha thì bay mà mua đâu nhỉ pha thì bay mà mua nên tệ quỷ mua bay nên mà mua nên
Mamuang.
mà mua
Oh, mamuang during.
cho anh nói áo kia xe nên sắp hết rồi xe chú gì có cái ngã
Great. I love that hair.
khung tour ném
Never been cut.
con tour ném
Wow.
open tour ném anh ấy
Is it hard to brush?
cái phong open vector này có gì
Or is it easy? Sometimes.
Yan, bay na lang doon ni. Iban apa lang gusto kong paghala sa crew. Oh, his doon na tayo no mi. Oh. Ani. Yan po. Đây chúng ta không có cái thùng cái hàng cái đâu mà không có nói à bộ lô không trong cuộc thì đang có cái hàng cái gì ra tôi sẽ có sao thì tôi đi ăn nên ăn mì á thì ăn mấy con á Jackson gì Jackson tôi thấy folder cái khác
Do you have some? Oh, we'll put them somewhere in our desk.
Sorry, so okay, so
Okay. Yeah? Okay. Probably in our binders, maybe.
Open lo mero. Ima mo hunay open mi doon niyo.
How's it looking in
Jadi
here?
kana niya kan zo may ang.
Thank you. Are you going? Are you going to do something? Put it all in here. Yeah.
Bye bye ulit. Ah, bye bye.